Here I am outside Fayna Apartments, just a hop, skip and a jump from the main strip. Let's go take a look. Hi folks, today I'm in Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote, walking through a very popular set of apartments with a superb location near the casino and opposite Blue Sea Playa Club, which you may have seen in my last video. And even better, there are no hills to climb. It's also very quiet in the complex despite its central location. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Karen from Canaries with Karen, and on my channel I show you hotels and apartments and walks in the Canary Islands. If you like that sort of thing, stay put and see what my channel's about, and if it's to your taste, you can support it by subscribing and clicking the notifications button. Let's get on with the video. So a little about the apartments. It's not a big complex. When you walk in, it does seem quite small indeed. There's only 33 apartments, which have either 1 or 2 bedrooms, and you can pick from standard or deluxe quality. Walking around here, it's really quiet and relaxing, and it's so hard to believe the hustle and bustle of the main strip's only 2 minutes away. So what's so good about this location? It's so convenient. Just 5 minutes walk to the sea and a hop, skip and a jump to the main strip. And it has the benefit that transfers from the airport are fast. A taxi from the airport takes only about 10 minutes at the most, and it costs around 20 euros. If you hire a car, private parking's available on site, though you can't reserve it unfortunately, and it costs 8 euros a day. Coming up, I'm going to show you a room. Not my room, because I didn't stay here, but a guest was kind enough to show me their room, and I'll also be letting you know how much it costs to stay here. But first, let's go and have a look around the pool bar and the pool. If you fancy a game of pool, you're in luck. The pool table itself seems to be standing on top of a giant chessboard, which is a shame really, but it doesn't look like they've got room for the both of them. The pool bar is nice and clean, there's no sticky tables. They serve pizza, chips, nuggets, burgers and all the usual bar fare. And they have a happy hour 2:30 till 3:30 p.m. The prices are very reasonable and are generally a bit better than on the strip. Small beers are 1.80, large beers 2.80. The coffees, for example, are 2 to 3 euros. Talking of coffees, you can, if you'd like, support my channel by buying me a coffee by scanning the QR code that's on the screen now. I spend all the coffee gifts money directly back into the channel for flights, hotels, camera gear, and your support's really appreciated. And a big shout out to those who've supported me in the past. Thank you so much. Anyway, back to the video. We've yet to go and take a look at the room, so let's make our way over there, upstairs, to see an apartment. Taking a look around the apartments, I really admire the gardens. They look after them so well and have plenty of mature trees and plants and flowers, which I love to see. I'm not a fan of complexes that have no greenery and look very bare. So it's just great to see, and I think it just adds to a more relaxed holiday feeling with lots of flowers and plants around. So can you guess what rating this gets on TripAdvisor and Booking.com? Well, as far as the reviews are concerned, on TripAdvisor it's got a 4.2 out of 5, but that's only of 209 reviews, so it's not a big picture. And it got an 8.9 out of 10 on Booking.com, and that was a bit more substantial, 685 reviews. Right, so we're in the 2-bedroom apartment. Nice sofa with cushions. So often those are missing, but they really do add to the comfort. The kitchen looks modern and clean. I can't comment on the comfort of the beds, as I said I didn't stay here personally. And a quick look around here will show you that even though the beds etc haven't been made up yet, that it's a very modern apartment. The bathroom's nice and modern, beautifully tiled, nice and clean. And it's adequately spacious enough, I think, with a nice neutral colour theme. So if you do regularly watch my channel, you'll know that I do spend more time than that normally in a room. But with this not being my room, I did feel a bit awkward and didn't feel like I could open wardrobes and cupboards and things like that. So I hope that was enough just to show you the basics of what the rooms are like. You do get a beautiful view of the pools from the upstairs balcony rooms, I would say. I think that will be my first choice. A nice balcony room overlooking the gardens, the beautiful high trees and the lovely pool. The pool's not overly big, but there are plenty of sun loungers. There doesn't seem to be a sunbed war going on. So on to the price for a week away next year. Prices do keep increasing, so how much do you think it'll cost to stay here? Well, I found 0 package tours. If you want to do your own search, be aware there's apartments with the same name in Gran Canaria, so make sure you book the correct one. It's so easy to mix them up. In the absence of a package tour, you're down to booking an apartment, your own flights and transfers, but don't be put off, it is very easy. For example, on booking.com for 1 week, next April, it's £947 for 2 people sharing a 1-bedroom apartment, or £1,325 for a 2-bedroom apartment. You can also book direct via the apartment's own website, and it may be a bit cheaper if you do. I'll put their website address on screen now. Flights can be booked separately on sites like travelsupermarket.com, and for transfers, just walk out of the airport and the taxis are plentiful and they're just there and cost only around €20. Sometimes there's a queue, but it does go down really quickly. You'll be surprised. Don't be put off. I've never been let down yet. So I want to show you just how close you are to the strip now. It's really not far at all. Let's take the exit. There's only one way in or out as far as I can see, and it's past reception. Once you get out of these apartments, you are directly opposite Blue Sea Playa Club, which has just changed its name. It was La Branda Playa Club, now it's Blue Sea Playa Club. If you get a moment, do check out my video off that place, as it's one of my favourites right on the strip. And of course, subscribe and press the notifications bell and you won't miss any of my videos. So continuing towards the strip, come out and you turn right and you literally are 2 minutes walk down the road here onto the main strip. It's nice and flat as well. There's no hills around here. You're not going to struggle walking. There's no difficulties if you're using a mobility scooter, anything like that. It's just really nice, quiet walk. And before you know it, where this zebra crossing is here, you're right on the main strip. You can turn left or right, and you've got great bars, great shops, whichever way you want. The casino is a large white building just opposite there too. And just across the road next to the casino is the best cafe. I really want you to go there. It's fantastic. It's got amazing views right across the sea, and I'm doing my next video about it, so keep watching to see that video. Hope you enjoyed that video. That's all from Fayna Apartments in Puerto del Carmen. See you all soon. Bye.